High on helium. Might have been high. Wait, what?
Do it again, Ken. Do it again.
Ready? Good?
It's gonna feel good.
Don't take too much because then you're gonna get lightheaded and die.
Huge headache and die. Stop eating all.
Yeah, it's gonna be so good.
How did you stab a hole in it?
Yeah, my drugs. My drugs, broski.
How did you stab a hole in it?
You wanna try?
Oh,
You wanna try this? It's great.
Well, that's
You're gonna
drugs.
die.
Well, there goes that bone.
I just seen the one video. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna make the Halo theme song.
If there's any more left.
That's not even Halo.
Actually have like police come here and be like, "Hey, are you hiding some drugs in here?" I'll be like, "I knew this day would come. I don't have drugs, sir. I'm just kind of crazy. Just watch my videos, please. I'm a fidget spinner. Spin me." What should I make a fidget spinner video about?
Seems like such a nice guy. Now you're using fidget spinner.
Versus a painting?
Oh.
First I gotta get the thumbnail.
What a crazy man. Oh my god. Man. You just lost like 57 subscribers.
Sweet.
You
But
don't just.
But I
use a
just
fidget-
gained 100. See that? It's vibing right now. I need the subscribers. I need the
subscribers.
What?
And gains like a bunch of
Wait, what?
12-year-old subscribers.
Yeah. But they'll at least watch my videos. Unlike you, nobody cares to eat my fidget spinner. You know what? The new insult of America. I got some crazy thumbnails already. Fidget spinner versus Lego.
Okay.
First we gotta get good lighting.
Fidget.
Fidget spinner versus Lego. What you gonna do about this? That's what I thought.
I'm gonna
You
let
ugly.
you do it.
You know, fidget spinners are trending right now. Fidget spinner versus person. Fidget spinner versus hater.
It's like turns off a bridge.
Why? You know what?
Not. Excuse me, I'm gonna exercise.
Okay. Well, kill him. It's gonna blow you up.
Charger, like it's a dog or something.
It's because he is your dog.
I literally have
It's
nothing but. I've been carrying it around. Just.
Oh, jeez. It's the dog from Dublo. Maybe I should become a Dublo YouTube channel. Dublo.
Well, I need to.
Should I make
exercise.
Duplo videos?
Yeah. Hold on.
Hey guys, welcome to Duplo with friends. These are Legos, but they're still Duplos. Whoa, here we have, I think this is a shark. Zoom. You're dead. Duplo. See you on the next episode. Kill me now. Oh, I dropped my spaghetti. Can I stick this up my nose? I wrote wicked, dude. Kaden, you left the trampoline on. I mean, what's it called? Is that me? No, that's you after I make a fidget spinner video. Hey guys, fidget spinner versus what? Versus Rubik's Cube.
I instantly stopped watching your videos as soon as I saw Ridget. Yeah, Ridget. Ridget Finners in your video.
Ridget Finners. Okay, we need to get a good thumbnail. Where's a good thumbnail? Outside. Okay, we're going outside. I'm going viral. 1 million subscribers. Here I
You're gonna
come.
look back at this day in like 2 years and be like, I was
And laugh.
gonna.
Fidget spinner versus Rubik's Cube. What's up? Oh, I'm getting exposed. Oh, what? Huh, what? I don't play with fidget spinners. It's not like I'm gonna upload this on my second channel.
It's like here. Very.
I thought you said you were gonna use it. What
I was. I did.
What were you doing?
In a YouTube video. It has to go viral, Luke.
What were you doing?
What do you mean, what was I doing?
With the fidget spinner.
He lost.
I don't know. Crazy things. No, I gained 2,000 views.
Fidget spinner. That's what it's called.
Yes. Let the viewers flow in. Imagine how much money I could make. Imagine how many fidget spinners I could buy. A lot.
Excuse me, I have to do something more important.
What?
Like check my daily.
You want a pillow? Welcome to Pinterest, boy. Take a pillow. Welcome to Pinterest, boy. Who peed on my pillow?
Let's make a craft for Pinterest.
What do you mean if I edited my videos? Like my gaming videos?
Everything.
Nobody cares.
Edit them
I'm a
better.
fidget spinner. Whee!
Well, you know what? This life doesn't need to be living anymore.
I should just do like what PewDiePie did, and he said I became. Have you seen that video?
Yeah.
Where it's like I became a fidget spinner, and he has like this nipple thing, and he has it on his nipples. Oh, what? No, I want to show you how you can charge your phone 20% faster.
I have yet to kill myself.
Stop! No, don't do it yet. Don't do
kill
it.
yourself yet.
Not yet.
I'll show you this.
Actually, never mind. That's for another video.
No,
Guys, subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna show you how to make this thing so I can charge 50. Whoa. So I can show you how to charge your phone 50% faster. Welcome to Dustin's Dojo. Excuse me. Hold on. I gotta see what videos are trending right now. Bye, Gaden. I've become the Sonic King. Okay, I'm gonna cringe at this video. And back in my past, I already know what the heck is happening. It's like a dragon took a dump right there. I need the trends. I need to know what's trending right now. No, we need to see YouTube videos. Where's videos? How do you see trending searches? Trending on YouTube. Look at that. Jeffy's fidget spinner. Look. Oh my gosh, another fidget spinner. You know, I could make $1 big if I make fidget spinners. Do not spin 2 fidget spinners at 3 a.m. This is why. I'm not gonna click on that video. What's it about? Oh, hi, YouTuber. Yo, this guy's going viral. Hold on. This guy better be a good YouTuber. Hello, Grandma. Yo, I'm tripping out. Oh, this guy's doing giveaways. Maybe I should do giveaway. Yo, he's gained so many subscribers. Look at them. I'm like him. I'm basically 3 years old, just like him. Look. No, he doesn't. Look. Look at. So you'd watch this guy?
Yeah, he edits his videos. So.
Look at it, fidget spinners. I edit my videos. I am looking. Get out of my room. I'm a fidget spinner.
I'm leaving you.
I'm a fidget spinner, please.
I hope you had fun.
Yo, look, this guy. Look how many subscribers. He had 21,000. Come back. This guy's gaining subs.
What do you want?
Look, he's got 21. He had 21K subs, and now he has 45K because he made this video. Look,
Not spin
Ghost.
2 fidget spinners at 3 o'clock a.m.
Yeah, this is why. 3 a.m. challenge.
YouTube is dying, Cole, and this is proof.
No, just look at this video. Look at him. He is so dopular. I could get so many views if I do. Literally, look. So the number 1 in the trending is Jeffy's fidget spinner. Okay, we're naming it Jimmy's fidget spinner. Okay. Just kidding. I'm doing fidget spinner versus life. Hayden, come back. I'm your friend. Come back.
I'm going to hang myself. Can't stop.
With a fidget spinner.
Hang myself in Luke's room.
Wait, you have a fidget spinner.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. I was playing with it at your house.
Burned it.
It was
To
wooden.
the ground.
Why'd you burn it?
Because it was gross. And it.
I stuck it out my
Why I
nose.
burned it. I just didn't want it, okay?
I stuck it up my nose.
I'm going to hang myself.
I stuck it up my
I'll
nose.
see you in tomorrow's video, okay? Bye.
I stuck it up my nose. Give me the clickbait, Gaden. Look more dead.
Dead? You look dead. No, you just have to-
Perfect.
No, maybe
Okay,
you
I'm
should-
watching kids videos. Maybe I should make these videos. Should I make a second channel, just kids videos? Yo, then I'd make 25 million. Have you seen how much money kids videos are making these days? Okay, I need the views. I need the subscribers. I need money.
I'm not going to hang myself for one word. I think it's-
What? But kid videos. So if I make these, you'll be more happy than if I made fidget spinner videos. Wow, Kaden.
Do you have any tequila?
Look, I'm watching this beautiful video. It is beautiful. Bad kids steal McDonald's. The kid friendly. Look at these people. They're making tens of millions of dollars every single day.
Of Caden.
Fidget spinners. Gummy versus real food. Maybe I should make these videos. Look, kid friendly. Oh, that could be you and that could be me. Oh, Caden. Oh my gosh. Look at these people. They're making tons of money. Look. Gummy versus real food. Look at this kid's video. I can hear the kids' music playing in the background. This is why I don't want.
Yet they have Marilyn Monroe in the back.
Yeah, I know.
Kid friendly. Sure. Yeah. Okay. So let's have some kid friendly content. Just get your weed out, put it in the background. Stop it.
Yeah, look. These people are probably popping, getting millions of views. Look, 700,000 views. And it came out when? That was a long time ago. Actually, never mind, that was today. Just look at these people. Okay, I'm gonna watch this video.
Fidget spinners! Oh! What's up, Jerry?
How are these trending? Whoa, what the heck? Okay. Let's skip to 420 in the video. They're playing spin the bottle, what the heck? Oh my gosh, this is the best video I've ever seen. What? Sorry, I'm watching
Fidget spinners!
He's gone. He's gone. Oh jeez. What?
She's like, I'll walk in, I'll have my camera, okay? I'll walk in, you're still silent watching. And you like turn around and like close everything down, okay? That's gonna work well, okay?
No, well, take my camera so I can get tens of millions of views.
Okay, I'll do that.
I'm just kidding. No,
I'm gonna do it.
I don't even want you in my videos anymore.
I won't be in it, I'll be behind you.
Look,
Yo,
look at this
Greg.
limited edition fidget spinner. This isn't a kid's video. He's like, oh, this is gay.
Hey, look. I'll be like Greg.
What am I watching? These are the videos that are trending. What?
Behind that.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Dad.
It's recording. What? Oh, okay. Anyways, guys, I did record. I kind of pranked my friend. I like switched all his guns in Destiny around. Like put guns on his Titan, other stuff. Put all of exotics on his Titan. It was hilarious. What's up, loser friend?
Why'd you put him on my Titan? Just like.
I grabbed every exotic I could from your vault and your other place and put them on your Titan.
I just have like, alright, here's my level 14 Titan, okay? I have, let's see, Jade Rabbit, Zeros Regime, okay? Ace of Spades, which somehow
Check
works
your
here.
heavies. Your heavies are full of exotics. No, and then
Gallahorn. Oh my god.
and then I tried you can't switch your weapon because normally you can equip your weapons
Right.
onto the character. So I tried equipping different weapons so you'd be like, switch to the Wolf Steel Squad. But I couldn't. It said I had to go to orbit or like be out of the game.
Okay.
It was sad.
Took my bother, huh?
Have you heard all the lyrics of that?
No.
It's so trippy. Just like this fidget spinner.
Well, at some point, I'm gonna like get on my Titan and be like, what the heck is this? It literally says requires hunter class.
Yeah, for the ASS based.